Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we just got our Ubuntu setup reset. You can see reset. And we will be root. Unix password. We just set up our Windows subsystems for Linux. First thing we have to do is, well, second thing, sudo. So you can see clearly we are running Xenial? Xenial, I think that's how you pronounce it. XCNIAL. Yeah, I think it's Xenial. Accent. I have to listen to this. Okay.
Xenial.
Xenial? I guess. Xenial? That sounds weird. Anyways, it's going to do its thing. Then we're going to install Update Manager Core, and we are going to put it on from Xenial to Bionic Beaver, or Bionic. So that's going to do its thing very quick. As an update for the package manager and apt, which is the two things that we would be using. We have to install actually one more thing. So 9%. And Perl. Hopefully this time Perl doesn't break. Spoiler. Never mind. Well, in the last update I don't think I updated Perl. Oh well, let's see. It's doing its thing very quick. I guess not very quick. Locales. I don't like local locales. Usually they take longer to download. Okay, 24%. It has about, what do you guess? 134 upgrades. Oh yeah, it says it there. But this can translate to 22 times 4. Hey Cortana. 22 times 4.
22 times 4 is 88.
Okay, so basically this will take as long as downloading 88 regular packages. Because we did 21, add 1, 22, then multiply by 4, because it's at 25%. Anyways, now it's at 32. Okay, this is going to take a while. Welcome back. It's still at 36%. Now it didn't cut. Task Manager seems to be stable. Decent amount of memory usage though. It's at 13.3 gigabytes used out of 16. Otherwise, still has some room. Okay. Now, in the meantime, I will open up the documentary I used to find. Okay, yeah. Xenial to Bionic. Linux configuration, they have an easy way of upgrading. So we have to run these following commands. Actually, just these three. Okay. Yep, the Debian one. I'm familiar with that. Because I use Debian. Okay. Oh. Huh. That's probably why it broke. Even though, why do you use that? Okay. Our commands are here. There are no fine. True. Okay. And now it's gonna do its process. Or installing stuff. Oh, I just reset my terminal. I have to install Maven and Docker, and maybe Docker doesn't work. I don't know. Oh, and npm, and I guess Vim. Well, not Vim tiny, like Vim, like regular. Oh. Okay. So it has a decent amount of upgrade it's doing. It's unfortunate it doesn't just install the latest updates when I reset it. 20%. What? Wait, today is... This is Sunday. I did back another day. Saturday. My computer restarted on Saturday. Oh yes! The graphics card update. How can I forget? My computer crashed. Oh, my Google Chrome crashed every few seconds. So, another tip and trick is sometimes when you're clicked outside of the terminal, the window freezes. Cget should be done by now, that's obvious. No, never mind. But if the window does freeze, and you go back into it, it's just not doing anything, then click enter, and it will refresh the console text, I guess. Open VM tools. Yep, I don't think I need to virtualize on this device. Virtual LAN or VLAN. I think that's virtual LAN. Well, this is technically a virtual machine. No, I don't know. Because this is Windows device, but then it's running Ubuntu. Okay, that's confusing. If you're doing this too soon, yes, I am. So in my case, I will have to use the D flag to force the upgrade. Otherwise, if you watch this video later and it's already released, you can just do this command. In fact, if Bionic is already released and you run this command, then it will put you on like Ubuntu 19 or something like that. I don't know. The next release. Oh, nice. Only one language. Creating. Oh. Okay, it has Snapd, so you can install snaps, but there's no desktop environment, so that would be useless. Okay, sudo apt install update manager core. Oh, it's already there. Okay, nice. Now, if you can see here, if we run sudo do release update, checking for new release, no release found. Well, guess what? Ubuntu 18.04 exists. So adding the D flag, and you could obviously tell it's now doing something. Bionic. And you could see, what? Why is it getting Zennial things? I'm trying to download Bionic. There we go. So it hit Zennial. Then it's like, nope, we're gonna get. Wait. Oh yes, it's updating the information, updating repository information. So it switched from this to this, which is nice. Just hurry up, please. Wait, there's a like small bug on my screen. Oh well, that is one. Okay. Okay, please do not call a second later. Okay, good. And translation. I don't think I need translation. And technically, I don't know any other languages, so translation might be nice. Anyways, but I don't use anything that's other languages. Oh well. Calculate. And yes, 3 so no longer supported. That doesn't matter. 3 packages are going. Yes? My voice crack. Okay, it's gonna do this now, I guess. You guys can watch if you'd like to. I have to go and eat, apparently. Otherwise, this might take a decent amount of time. And for the people that would like to watch the process of what it's updating, then here it is. I'll be right back. We'll have to eat. Okay, I have to go and eat. Since this update's still going. And Discord is ringing. Okay, it's going. Seems as if it's updating Python stuff. I don't know.
I'll eat it. Just not now.
Okay. Setting up. Well, I have good news. We are on step, I don't know, out of. So basically, if this works, my definition of this working is the system, the sources.list is all Bionic, and there's no random archive canonical that is pointing to Xennial like before. And also my second thing is dpkg and apt still work. I can still apt get a file and it works. If other software doesn't work, the reason I'm not going to care about that is because I could just uninstall and reinstall it, and it would fix most mistakes. And if a software isn't built for this distribution, it wouldn't even auto update. So, well, no, sometimes it still works. I don't know. It wouldn't. It might uninstall itself, I believe. I'm not certain. Probably with config files, but uninstall itself. Again, I'm not that good at creating and developing apt and dpkg type files. And here's some update things. Update, release, manager, core. Okay. So, otherwise, if you're going to do it the Debian way, just go sudo. They tell you to go in this file. Another easy way is do sudo apt edit sources. Then select your editor from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe Nano is the easiest to use, according to apt. According to apt, I did not say that. Apt says Nano is the easiest to use, which I'm not going to express my opinion on that. But then just, I mean, they're using Vim. I mean, they're using Nano. I can't tell. But, anyways, just if you're going to do this with sources list, just replace anything that says Xennial, Xennial or Artful with Bionic and Control. Okay, save your changes and run sudo apt get upgrade and sudo apt get update and sudo apt get upgrade. Now let's see, what are you at? So Python 3. Python 3 Debian. I'm not running Debian. Yep. So 3 seconds later, I'm going to get a call. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. So, Ubuntu core launcher and snaps. So progress is 45%. I like how it tells you like the progress, like in between the updates. So it's like netplan.on. That sounds interesting. About here would say like 50%. Oh, it's getting Vim and Vim Tiny. That's nice. So I believe all of this is just for Vim. Oh, it's not that much. See, it tells you like progress 50%. It tells you right this line here. I think that's interesting. Okay, 55%. Seems to be taking a little longer than I expected. I don't know. I don't even know what I expected. Would you like to unpack time? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpack time. So time stop, so I can unpack you. So now I have time unpacked. So now I can edit the time. So when I'm young, I'm going to make myself rich. Now, all of a sudden, I'm rich. I broke the timeline. Anyways, I like to unpack time. Okay. While this does its thing, I will be right back. Okay, and it's done. Install the package maintainers version always. Oh, maybe not. It's close to being done. I'd say it would be done about, let's count down from 10. 10, 9, 2, 1. Is it done? No, it's not. Okay, fine. Let's do that one more time. Hey, Cortana. Count down from 7. That did not work. 2, 1. Remove obsolete packages. Nice. Restart required. Yes. Command terminated normally. Okay. Apt. There we go. Now I'm gonna try something. Cat. There we go. So if you do cat etc/issue, it will tell you what operating system you're currently using. We are currently using Ubuntu 18.04 long-term support. Sudo apt upgrade date sudo apt. And this is perfect scenario because I have to install stuff. Can all of this work? And we're going to check if all the packages are existent. Okay, get nano vim we could remove. Get nano vim. Gradle. Okay, I think that's good. So now we're going to confirm that this works by installing all these now. These are, I would call mainframe applications personally. These are applications I like to have on my system. So it seems actually, I could just tell now it's working. The sudo apt update upgrade worked. That Ubuntu 18.04, it's working. It's, as you can see, it's getting packages right now. 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm not certain you like 15 minutes. I'm not certain you like to sit around that much longer, but I guess we can run a little bit further into it. 12 minutes. I wish I could fix the mirror so that works. Update and upgrade, yeah. That does not look like Ubuntu 18.04. Looks like 16. Oh well. Can't do that. Oh, I have a firewall. Who uses email clients? We just go to Google Chrome and open up our email client. That looks nice. I like that. Meet desktop environment. That is the first thing you should do when you get Ubuntu. And I like this run in a remote client. It works nice. Yeah, everybody needs that. Why do you call it a GNOME Amazon launcher? I believe Ubuntu added their, not GNOME. Unity, like that one, not GNOME. Yeah, that's decently nice. Oh, play on Linux. That's something I'm gonna do right now. Yeah. This is a weapon of mass destruction. Okay. It's actually a laptop with 4 different operating systems on it. Hey, play on Linux is nice. I like playing on Linux. And Steam. First, I'm gonna attack Ubuntu with play on Linux. Okay, Garrett, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'll be right with you, okay?
Okay, you don't even have to. Are you even gonna leave the call?
I guess I'll stay in. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button down below and subscribe. If you'd like me to do more stuff with this terminal Ubuntu install, then tell me in the comments. My
And
voice is
follow
done.
at Garrett Lehan on Instagram.
Garrett, nobody will follow your Instagram.
Now you guys should just follow my Instagram just to prove him wrong.
Or you should subscribe to my channel if you do not want to follow his Instagram. Okay, now we're gonna double win. Okay, bye.